members of the Socialist Party, members of the People's Pact, supporters of the Socialist Party and the People's Pact. I want to issue this statement in my capacity as National Campaign Manager of the People's Pact and Socialist Party regarding the issues of the petition raised by Mr. Mwanza regarding the qualifications of Madam Dolly Kabanda, who is a running mate to President Membe. First and foremost, it is to say to you that not only have the petitioners cited the Socialist Party and the pair of President Membe and Madam Dolly Kabanda, but they've also cited the Electoral Commission of Zambia to respond. Both the People's Pact and the Socialist Party, as well as Dr. Fred Membe and Madam Dolly Kabanda, have responded. Furthermore, the Electoral Commission of Zambia have also responded to the petition that has been leveled by Mr. Mwanza and his grouping of so-called social systems that they are supporting them. The position is very clear. In our submissions, we've made it very clear that both the ECZ and ourselves have, and ECZ, the Examinations Council of Zambia, have satisfied themselves of the qualifications that were submitted in that presentation of the nomination. So, as far as we are concerned, we cannot see how the individuals that are petitioning us have any leg to stand on. We have submitted to the court and responded based on the petition that we've received. And I want to assure all those that are involved in the campaign that they have no reason to be concerned and duly concerned about this situation. The situation, as far as we are concerned, is satisfactory, and they must continue to do their campaigns throughout the country. The councillors, the members of parliament, and the presidential candidate will remain on the ballot papers, and we have no reason to have any doubts about that. So we encourage you just to proceed until the election day when it comes. Thank you very much indeed.